Good morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Um, when we're ready for a really great week of weather here, I think the weather's going to be really nice the entire week. May even hit 80 degrees this week, so it's starting to feel a lot more like springtime. So super exciting times. Last week, our Monday mission was understanding the concept of rude, mean, or bullying. Remember that three-way test. If somebody says something unintentionally that is, not appropriate, that can be considered rude. If somebody says something intentionally that's inappropriate, that can be considered mean. And if they continue to do the same intentional mean behavior over and over and over again, or a group of people are doing it towards an individual, that can be considered bullying. So think about that three-way test, and try to make the best decisions that we can. Bullying's a two-way street. So making sure that the individual that's having the behavior is being more conscientious of what they're doing, and then also to the person that's on the other end of it, making a decision on whether or not the act is which category the act fits in. Also, too, I just want to congratulate the students of the week last week. We had Collins Mowry, Carson Clumpy, and Riley Cross. Congratulations to those three students, and we're looking forward to another three students this coming week. We've kind of had something similar to this already this year, but our Monday mission this week is think before you say. It kind of goes along the lines of the rude, mean, and bullying concept. Our words can have an impact on others. That impact can be either positive or negative. Either of those results may not only affect that person in that moment, but it also might affect that person for the rest of the day or future interactions between you and that person. So make a conscious effort this week and every day at school and beyond to make sure that your words have a positive impact of those around you. So some ways that we can have a positive impact on others with our words is wishing somebody good luck before a big test or a competition. For example, we have a track meet today. We have a golf meet tomorrow. We have ACT tests on Wednesday. We have all those big opportunities for people to go and be successful at. So say some positive things. Be wishing them good luck or tell them that they can do it and all those sorts of things to be uplifting to them. Also, too, say something encouraging when you notice that others are struggling. So if you see somebody sitting at lunch and they look like they're not having a very good day, go up and talk to them. Ask them what's going on. Ask them find out something that they did really good and focus on the positive thing that they did. And then also, too, if you see somebody that's standing around being left out of a group, welcome that person into your group or your activity. When you feel like they're just kind of being on the outside looking in. That can be a positive, uplifting thing. It's something that can be done more often, including others in our activities. It's something that we could really do better, not only here but all around. So I think that's something to really focus on, is being more welcoming of others. Remember, our Trojan Way focus all month is going to be centered around rude, mean, and bullying. So our Trojan Way Tuesday is going to be a rude, mean, and bullying quiz. Teachers have access to a quiz that allows the group to decide if the example is an example of rude, mean, or bullying. We want to really try to emphasize that this month, and we want to make sure we have some clarity both here and at home and in the community. So do your best to try to help educate others when you see something that's going on, and try to make sure that everybody's trying to make the best decisions possible. And we try to limit all three of those things. All three of those things are very ugly acts, and then we want to make sure that we limit them and make this school environment as most positive and enjoyable place that it can be. So everybody, let's have a great week, and go Trojans.